Hey everyone, Sean here, and today we're going to be doing a two-part video. The first part's going to be an unboxing video, one of the first ever that I've done, followed by a review of the product. The second part of the video is going to be comparison. So what we're actually going to be unboxing today is a coffee drip maker, and we will be reviewing that with the taste and texture of a French press. So hope you all enjoy, and yeah, let's get this party started. What do you say? All right. Can't be an unboxing video without knife. I'll try not to cut myself, guys. No promises though. All right, so what do we got here? Here we got the Hamilton Beach. It is a permanent filter, coffee filter. So that way we won't have to buy replacements. This is a reusable one, you know, good for the environment, and yeah, saves money in the long run. So let's pull this bad boy out. Not much to it. So yes, as you can see, it's just a gold toned filter. So that will go in our machine and replace the need for coffee filters, the typical white ones that you buy. All right, so that's just an accessory. This, gotta show the Amazon thing. This one, this is actual coffee maker. So let's open this on up and see what we got. Other than an awesome packing job and fast delivery. Let me put away the knife before I do some damage. All right. Actually, I'm gonna need the knife again. But let's see. Let's see what we got here. Bloop. The Hamilton Beach Cafeteria Programmable. Remember in Spanish? Okay, here we go. Hamilton Beach Programmable Coffee Maker, 12 cup capacity. We'll open up the box, see what's inside. First thing first, we got an instruction manual. Pretty typical. I don't usually use these. Just throw that over there. Some more packaging. Just throw that over there. Aha! Aha! What we've been waiting for. If I can get it out without. Bloop. So much packaging. Okay. So your typical 12 cup carafe. Let's see, Hamilton Beach, easy access to sign. Let me take off all this tape. Take off all the tape. It's a decent looking machine. Give it that. Push this little button on the side, and that opens up the front, which you have the basket for making the coffee. Now, this should fit directly inside here, which it does. It fits very nicely. And like I said, that's gonna replace the need for a coffee filter. And you put that bad boy in there. and you shut it down, or shut it, and it's good to go. The water filter detaches so you can easily bring it over and fill it. I kind of like that feature because many times before I would bring this boy over and go to pour it in, and you know, it leaks. You get it all over the machine, you make a mess. With this one, you can take it off, you can bring it over to your water source. It makes it actually nice and easy. Some of the other features that we got here. As you can see, it has a keep warm button. This particular model holds the coffee warm for up to 2 hours. You can also change what time right here, programmable, so that way the coffee will be brewing and going before you actually wake up, which is a nice feature that, you know, those of us that get up early and like our coffee first thing in the morning can appreciate. And then over here you got the different program levels and on and off and brew options. I don't really know what those are, so let's turn this on and see what we got. Alright, so as I was saying, you can keep it warm. It looks like there's different temperature levels as well as how long you could actually have it warm for, which I know the max is 2 hours. Looks like brew options, you have the option to brew it at 1 to 4 cups. Bold, regular, 1 to 4 cups. So yeah, if you're doing a smaller brew, say if you just want a single serving or, you know, 2 cups, you could select that. If you want something that's gonna be bolder, you got that option. And just a regular cup of Joe, we got that option too. Now what do these programs do? Uh-oh, I just turned it on. Let's see. Maybe I gotta actually add the time. What time is it, guys? Oh, just after 3:30. Close enough. And I want to see what this do I have to turn it on for the program? And then you can select what time you want it to start. So we wake up at 6, so we'll get going at 6. I think I'll start it with the regular coffee at first. Yeah, that should be good. We'll do regular, and then it's all set up, good to go. But yeah, basic drip coffee maker. Looks good, and we'll test it out first thing tomorrow morning. It's not that big of a unit, decent sized cord, has a little vent filter, if you would, on the top. Good streak. But yeah, there's not too much going on with it, which is why I was getting it. So that's the coffee maker. Tomorrow morning we will brew up some coffee in this, and we'll brew it up in the French press and compare the two. And I don't know, I haven't had drip coffee in quite a few years, but the reason we're doing this, before I forget, so I ran a poll recently asking you guys how you prefer your coffee. How do you make your coffee at home? And the poll suggests that most people actually use a drip coffee maker, and I use a French press. So I want to test my coffee at not only in a French press, which is what I know, but I want to make sure that it's going to stand up to the drip coffee maker and still produce that quality cup that I get every time with my French press. And yeah, that's all I got. So stay tuned, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning. This will be my first unboxing video, and take 2. And up front here, gotta go through that. You don't need to see this. We're gonna fast forward this in the video. There we go. Leave it. Wow. Oh God. Oh God. So yeah, that's the coffee maker in a nutshell. Tomorrow morning we will roast up some coffee. So yeah, that's the coffee maker in a nutshell. Next, let's brew up some coffee. We're actually going to be doing that tomorrow morning, and we'll compare it with the coffee that we brew in our French press. So, hope you like that. I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I'm just trying to say stuff I don't